Hey guys, I don't know about you, but Christmas Eve is coming up so fast and I have to get my ham ready. And I always have to have a ham on Christmas Eve. And what I have here is about a 6-pound bone-in shank hickory ham. This is going to feed about 4 to 6 people, and you'll have some leftovers too, which will be great. So I'm just going to score this about, I'd say an inch deep. And I'd say, an inch and a half apart. You don't want it too deep or too far apart. Now I'm doing this diagonally. You can also do it in circles. I just like the diagonal approach. Of course, I'm going to crisscross this here just to get it real pretty and fancy like. Just like a surgeon. Just call me Dr. Ham. Now it's time to stud this up. So I have some cloves and I'm just going to put them in the bottom of the triangles. Something like this. You know, I just love the smell of cloves. They remind me so much of the holidays. Now that we got our ham all studded, doesn't this look absolutely spectacular, guys? Let's start to make that absolutely wonderful glaze with half a cup of packed brown sugar. And I just love brown sugar. It's got that molasses flavor to it. Followed by half a cup of maple syrup. So we'll just go ahead and pour this in. Oh, it looks so good. And you want the real maple syrup, the real Canadian stuff, eh? I can get away with that because I'm Canadian, eh? 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And it adds that little bit of tardiness. And if you want to do something really bizarre, and I know this sounds strange, take a cracker, put some Dijon mustard on it, go ahead, put it in your mouth, eat a clove and a little bit of maple syrup. What a flavor explosion. That's just a little taste experiment if you want to go ahead and try that. Half a teaspoon of something I love so much, cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. That's got all my favorite spices basically covered. Onto the stove. Give this a mix. And we'll bring it to a boil. And you want that nice bubble, and it's going to begin to thicken, and this will take somewhere in the neighborhood of about 3 to 5 minutes. But look at that, it looks just beautiful, smells incredible, and I did have a little taste, and the taste is awesome. Starting to thicken now. I can feel that drag on the whisk, and that's how you can always tell. Okay, now our glaze is perfect. Going to turn off the heat and grab up our roasting pan, and we're ready to glaze our ham. Okay, now let's put a nice generous application over the ham. This is just the perfect texture. Okay, now we have the glaze on the ham. And doesn't this look absolutely stunning? It's going to go in the oven at 325 for about an hour. After about an hour, I'm going to take it back out of the oven. Oh, doesn't this look absolutely fantastic, guys? And I also need to say that the glaze I've done a reheat on because it did congeal a little bit, or it did gel up a little bit because it just sat for so long, but a matter of, 2 or 3 minutes and it just it liquefied again. Oh, this is so good. I mean, if you have friends and family over for the holidays, they are just going to go absolutely crazy over this. Oh, I just can't stress enough how nice it looks and how good it smells. Okay, we're going to go back into the oven for about another 20 minutes to half an hour just to finish this off, and we're ready to chow down. After another 20 minutes or so, there you have it, guys. Our easy holiday ham with maple glaze. Oh, so good. I just cannot believe how beautiful this turned out. Now let's get a good slab off of this. Just look at it. Wow. This is so good. It's juicy. It's not too dry. That glaze is going to be absolutely incredible. I just love it. Wow. All right, let's grab up a piece here. I can hardly wait. Wow. Just look at this. Guys, do I hear harps? If there's a heaven, this would be there, that's for sure. Oh my goodness, this is so good. You got to try this. It's beyond words. It's just spectacular. I got to have more of this with some scallops. Absolutely anything at Christmas time. Just incredible. And of course, if you watched any of our videos, you can get the full recipe at cookandshare.com. Cool site, all kinds of great stuff over there. New recipes being added every day. If you haven't already subbed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, catch you next time.